How to fix a dryer that's not heating. Usually right here, get your model number, disconnect your dryer. Now remove the back plate, which is this one. Normally has about 10 screws. You can buy a little tool set like this at Walmart, like $7. So this right here is your heating element. So what I would say is before you go unplugging everything, remove one wire at a time and connect the new one. What you can do also is take a picture before you unplug any wire. That way you remember how to plug it back in. So here we took it off. As you can tell, it's burnt and broken. Look at that right here. So this coil broke, not causing it to heat. So they sell a kit. You could get the heating element. You could get the thermal fuse, the little switch up here as well. I'm just gonna replace the heating element. So you just fit it back in there the way you took it off. Put the wires back how they were. So it's having a little issue, but that little flap right there, just folded it back and it's holding it in place now. You just put it back in there. Like so. Make sure the holes align right there. You plug it back in. That one there. That one there. And you can change these out if you like. If you buy the pack, the bundle, change that. Thermal fuse, that little thing down there as well. Very simple. You definitely save some money compared to if you were to get an appliance repair person. You could easily do it yourself. The whole kit costs about $30. Now we got back on. Now we're gonna put the shield. You see there's several holes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just goes all the way around. So very simple. Depending on what dryer you have, they're usually all the same. Go ahead and put it back on there. What I would recommend is put one here, the corners. That way you make sure that it aligns and you're not having difficulty. And kind of make them snug. And then once you have them all in, then you can tighten them hard. So we got it back on. Make sure you tighten your vent, plug it in, and let's see, hopefully it doesn't blow up. There it is, it's working. Didn't blow up. So just a reminder, look up this tag is usually on the inside of the door. It has your model number, your brand. You look this number up with heating element, and that should be your part. Swap them out, super easy, and save yourself some money.